Let's listen and watch Herb Baker with a smoke.
All right, we got some 8 for us. I think we can make the back one up anyway.
All right, here we go. Ladies, Herb Baker. There he is. Taking off, Jimmy. Got through that one.
Is that right?
And he's going to go hit some smoke rings right there. There's through. Oh, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How about that? Now is actually the sound of the propeller tips going supersonic. Jimmy Fordham leading them over the top. Let's watch as the smoke comes on, and Jimmy Fordham calls ready brake. The downward bomb burst, the signature maneuver of the I love the sound, I gotta tell you. Now they go into the barrel roll. And Brian Reagan has all the power he can muster to try to keep up with these guys. Jimmy Fordham takes it up wide. Let's give it up for the Aeroshell aerobatic team.